In this video, we are going to discuss about how the server is configured in the packet tracer and how the addresses, the IP addresses are assigned to the server. We will be looking into it practically in the packet tracer. So you have seen here the server is connected to a switch wherein the switch is connected to two PCs, PC1 and PC4 here. So when you double click on this server, you can see here there are tabs like physical configuration, services, desktop attributes and software services. And again you can see here clearly mentioned that about this server. You can see the fast Ethernet 0 is available and the server is powered on here. So coming to configuration, you see only one interface is available, which is fast Ethernet 0 here. And when you click on this fast Ethernet 0, under fast Ethernet 0 you can see the port status, which is on, bandwidth is auto, duplex is selected as auto, and given MAC address is 00E0 A322 A051. And now you can see the IP configuration is DHCP, which is dynamic automatically selecting the IP address, and the IP address assigned is 169.254.160.81. and also you can see the subnet mask also is provided. So you can choose static and you can enter the IP address by your own. Automatically the subnet mask will be populated, and in the same way you can select for IPv6 configuration also here. So coming to under services, you can see the HTTP service is on, DHCP is also on, and also you can check about the other services like TFTP and also DNS, syslog, AAA, NTP, email, FTP, IOE and VM management. So coming to desktop, you see the similar available options under the desktop as the same as like in the PC. So you can see IP configuration, command prompt, traffic generator, text reader, web browser, etc. When you click on IP configuration, you can clearly see that we have chose static, we have provided IP address, we have the subnet mask also. So this is about the configuration server, so that it will communicate with other devices actively, and also it can be configured under DHCP or static. So this is about the server configuration and the Cisco packet tracer.